Hello, friends. Welcome to our latest video session. In this video session, I will introduce with you a beautiful CAD application that we developed here in our studio. So it is called Cadalyzer, which is where we create uh, 2D profiles, 2D curves, 2D curve which is not closed, open profile, and create a 3D model out of it. 3D model, half 3D model, and 3/4 of the full 3D model. You don't need to know the algorithm behind it, but I'll show you how we can install this application and how we can use it. So let's install it first. We'll install the uh, app. This is a small setup. It is built with nullsoft, and we can install this app with a small interface, with a nice interface, easy interface. You can see it's loading. It's open now. You can see welcome to Cadalyzer setup. Setup will guide you through the installation of Cadalyzer. It is recommended that you close all other applications before starting setup and click next to continue. So we'll make it next. Generally the default folder is program files 86, but you can change it from browse. It will install the application in your desktop. It will take a few minutes, so we will wait till it installed. It will have a number of DLLs which are supporting you from the toolkits that we used to build this app, and we need all those DLLs to be installed in the project in the program directory. Because if a single DLL is missing, then program will not follow the instructions. So if I show you in the meantime a small look of the package, you see this is the cadalyzer exe, which will open the application. So I showed you the installation process. Now we can see the exe file that will be present. I will show you all the features that we have inside this uh, application, and then you can take a copy of it, and you can use it, and if you give me feedback, then we can enhance with more features based on your requirement. My mail id is still installing. My mail application is loaded. Yellow lemon 30821 at the rate of gmail.com, and phone number is +91 84201956. If you like this video, then you can keep in touch with me. If you like to have a copy of it, I can send you the installer. See, this is the interface of the app Cadalyzer version 1.0, and these are the tools we have. 5 tools: sketch, show profile, draw surface, draw half surface, draw 75% of the surface. In file menu we have new is dummy, new is not implemented yet, because it is not a multiple document interface. It is a single document interface, so new is not implemented, but we have plans to implement multiple document interface in the upcoming, if we get a feedback like that. And open will open a saved model. You can save the model as a picture, image, png. Then 2D we have sketch and show profile. You can sketch a sketching here means a freehand sketching we do with mouse. So it is like quite like a scribbling on the screen. I will show you the implementation in yes. We have installed the click close to setup, close setup. Cadalyzer has been installed on your computer. Finish. So then you can see in the desktop you have a cadalyzer exe shortcut created. Just double click on it and it will open the same interface, right? So to start with, let's do some sketch. For sketching you have to first click the sketch and sketch will be activated, then scribble on the screen, and to stop sketching you have to click again sketch. So click on sketch, press mouse button, you can see a 2D profile is being drawn on the screen. It doesn't matter, but sometimes it will be problem if we make it a closed surface, closed profile. Then you can again click on sketch. Your profile is drawn. After that you can go to 3D and click on build surface. It will make you wet cursor. It will show you wet cursor and your surface is being built, and within a few seconds your 3D surface will be visible, which is built out of this 2D profile. So the idea of building a 3D surface from 2D profile is that we rotate the 2D profile in around 360 degrees with respect to an axis, and we get a complete 3D profile, 3D surface. So we compute, we create segments degree wise and build a 3D model. You can see, but this model is you can have where right mouse button is a rotation 3D rotation, and mouse wheel is for zoom in zoom out, but this model is not shaded. Okay, so for shading we have to give in view, give shade. Now you can see the interior of the model. You can see the interior of the model, where the hollow, where the solid. It is a completely made with OpenGL graphics, and then you can give a color material. So this will change the color and change to any other color, red. Then you can, these are the features we have. I will show you now the features that we have to visualize the model in different perspective. Then we have wireframe. This will show you the wireframe version of the model. Only grid lines you can see here. You can go back to shade, change color. Then we have fit to screen. Fit to screen. Then we have pan, zoom, rotate. We have shortcut on right mouse and wheel, but if you activate this button and do left mouse move, then it will pan. Again click on it, it will deactivate. The same way zoom and rotate. We have top view, we have front view, we have side view, we have isometric. Four kind of isometric views are there: northwest, southwest, northeast, southeast. Okay, then we can have also draw half surface. If you make a half surface, it will create a half surface for you. But still, it will make a culling of the full surface and show you a half surface. My computer is little slow, so it is taking too long time. Not sure why. You can see it is a half surface. It is a half surface cut out with 180 degrees and created a half surface. Okay, then again create draw surface, full surface. 3/4 will can also be done like that. Three-fourth can also be done like that. This is a beautiful CAD application, and this will be can be used by CAD users and many people who are enthusiastic in modeling, geometry modeling. You can see 3/4 surface is created. Then anytime you can see the show profile will show you the original profile of the surface, and once a draws a full surface, half surface is created, then it will be simply stored in the buffer, and anytime it can be shown. It is a very fast rendering second time onwards. Then we have save as image. If you like to save this image, you have PNG, JPG. You can save this image. You can save this image somewhere. Give a name, my image, my cat image dot png, and you can go to the folder where you created, where you save this image, my cat image dot png. Open it with photos, and you can see this PNG image is saved here. You can see a nice resolution has come. This has the power of the toolkit that we used here, and with high resolution the image can be saved at any point. Then Syn3D is a document type for this whole single document interface program, and you can save the model anytime as a Syn3D data. And my importance, and here you can save it as my cat model dot Syn3D. This will save the whole model as a Syn3D document. But the problem here in this saving document is still under developed, because we want to make it multiple document interface. So this will be some resolution issues that they are associated with it. So these are the features we have. I showed you almost all the features. Open here, we will open the model, and here we have a manual. If you click on it, you will see the manual associated with this. Here a detailed description of all the features are given. You can read this manual first before making hands with it. Menu wise, we have written all the details. You can have a read on it, and then you can use it. You can see main window, various controls like this. This manual is a toolkit help documentation feature. So you don't need to worry about the toolkits and the language. Language is C++, obviously, but you don't need to go too behind the program details. But if you have anything in mind to enhance its features and the bugs, if you find, then you can take a copy by writing a mail to me, yellowlemontree0821@gmail.com, and phone number is +91 8420 195626. You can contact with me and you can take a copy of it. I'll give you the installer, then we can use it and give me your feedback. We'll be in touch. Once you are into my customer list, then we can talk about more features and enhancements. Thanks for watching this video.